Hello everyone, this is DeAnn from Dazzy with another head wrap tutorial. Remember that we are working on the foundation, cover, tie, tuck, and adjust. So we're going to start off with our foundation, making sure that our hair is pulled back, and I always use some type of protection to make sure that my hair does not dry out. So once my foundation is good, because I'm doing an updo, I have my hair up, I then begin to cover. But before I do that, I just want to remind you that the Dazzy D head wraps are 100% Ankara. They are that cotton. That means that they are a little stiff and there is no stretch to them. So the stiffness is great for doing styles and making sure styles stay. So I folded about 4 inches and then I covered my hair. Now I'm going to the tie because again, I'm doing an updo. You want to make sure that it is tight, but not too tight. So I have that little opening. I'm going to kind of cover that a little bit. You see that my 2 ends are pretty much even. So I'm going to go straight into my bow. So tying another bow, I'm still on that tie piece. I'm going to take one end and I'm just going to spread it out. So you have kind of like that semi-circle. You have 2 open ends though. And I'm going to take the other bow piece and spread it out as well. It's okay that this one is a little bit shorter than the other one, that's fine. So I'm spreading and looking and kind of showing you how that goes. So you have your tail end. I'm going to take my tail end and I'm going to tuck it in. Take my other tail end. And you can leave it out, but for this style, I'm going to tuck it in. So I have my bow, which that could work if that's what you want to do. But I always like to kind of tuck again. So I'm tucking another time. And it's kind of forming like a petal, like a flower petal. And because it's stiff, I can kind of press it down to give it the shape that I want. Of course, I'm going to take it off of my ears because I don't like it covering my ears most of the time. A little bit of my hairline showing, and of course you could do your edges or you cannot do your edges. It's completely up to you. So I wonder how it would look if I tried to center it a little bit more. So I pushed it back some, try to cover as much of the top of my head as I can, and I kind of dig this look as well. Don't worry, keep practicing, you will get it. And here is the final look. This has been DeAnn for Dazzy D's.